it's me Savina guys, and welcome to my channel Savi for Wonderland. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this cute and easy hairdo. I call this a donut bun. Yes, I think it is called a donut bun itself. So this is a very quick and easy tutorial. If you are in a hurry and you have not thought about any hairstyle, I'm telling you this will give you good help and matching it with my robe. Alright, at the end of the video I will show a small DIY how you can make this donut out of old socks. So don't forget to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So keep watching.